The AnkaScrew Works product is the perfect solution when fixing to concrete, brick and hollow or solid block substrates. AnkaScrews are available in two types of finishes: zinc for internal applications and galvanised for external projects. The AnkaScrew is perfect for close-to-edge fixing and will not crack the substrate. Its superior clamping force guards against loosening of the material being fixed. The AnkaScrew is versatile and is easy to install and remove if required. In construction and commercial projects, the AnkaScrew can be used for fixing timber framing to concrete, metal beams to concrete, external balustrading and installing pallet racking. The AnkaScrew can also be used to install other items around the home, including racking, clotheslines, gates, air conditioning units, external light fixtures, window awnings and much more. If you need to attach something to concrete, brick or masonry, attach it faster, easier and stronger with the Ramset AnkaScrew, available at leading hardware stores.